Welcome to Emercury University. In this tutorial, we're going to review the benefits of several types of segments. The first is using substrings. The second is using the domain group condition. If you have not already previewed the video Introduction to Segments, we recommend that you watch this video before proceeding. Let's start with a review. A segment is a targeted part of an existing email list that is based on a set of conditions. You can create a segment using a substring by clicking on the Conditions button. Using a substring will modify a list of email contacts for a single domain name, such as AOL or Hotmail. You can add additional domains to the segment by adding more conditions. You would also select the field matching all or any to further define the segment conditions. Let's create a sample segment using substrings. The email lists we will use have both Hotmail and AOL contacts. Click View List and Create Segment. Using a substring by assigning a condition such as @substring or not @substring will create a targeted list of Hotmail contacts. Now we will show you how to display all domains and exclude Hotmail. The domain group condition focuses on groups of domains to create a segment. Here, we list the top ISPs, however, these are actual associated domain groupings. The domain group condition automatically groups associated domains. Instead of having customers create a segment using individual substrings for each domain, we group all domains for an ISP in the domain group condition. An example of associated domains would be AOL and AIM, or another example could be @hotmail.com and @msn.com. Using a domain group condition is a huge time saver. If you wanted to send out an email to all the domains associated in an ISP group and didn't use the domain group condition, you would have a substring for each and every domain. Another reason to use domain group condition is for reporting. Here, a customer can view whole domain groupings versus a single selected domain. You can edit these ISP groupings by clicking on Preferences, then My Domain Groupings. Click on the ISP Hotmail group. It will display all the domains associated with that group. You can delete, rename, and reset groups back to their default settings. You can also add a new group. Let's create an Emercury group and add a domain. Go back and create another segment, this time using List Actions, then New Segment. Filling in a segment name will bring you to the segment area. The field matching all or any of the following criteria is an important setting. The Match All says I want you to match all this criteria versus any, a Boolean AND versus OR function. This setting applies to all conditions that are stated below. Now let's select Domain Group Condition and verify the existence of the new Emercury group. This brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to check out our other university tutorials and learn how easy it is to use our email marketing system.